Okay, folks, I got the poppies all around them. Now I just have to wait for the printout so that I can put it on the middle, and I'm going to wood burn it. I'll show you when I have the transfer on the board. I just have to go get the wood burning tool and the pen, and I'll get this finished. Now I've got the heat gun, the burning marker on there. I'm going to hit it with my heat gun, and I'm going to put the poppies back on. As it turns out, my heat gun's not hot enough for the wood burning markers, so I just colored over with black magic marker. It's done except for the hanger now.